In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cranberries in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So cranberries are this thing over here. It's actually growing on my garden. As you can see, this is the cranberry. Let me harvest one for you. There we go. And this over here is what it looks like, so a cranberry. Now, let me go to the sell shop so we can actually see how much this costs. Now, how much is this worth? There we go. As you can see, it's going to be around 500 of this in-game currency over here, so it's not that bad because they grow pretty fast and they're quite easy to get. So the way to get them is actually by this new event over here. So if you walk to the middle of the map over here, you'll see there's now a hungry plant. So it's called a hungry or angry plant. There we go. And if you actually talk to him, you'll be able to feed him different things. So right now he wants a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilos. And after you actually get that daffodil or whatever it asks for, usually it's gonna be like tomatoes or maybe like some strawberries, stuff like that. You can simply put that in your hand, click on take this plant, and just like that, you'll be able to feed them that. And what you'll get after that is a seed pack. And inside that seed pack, as you can see, you can get the cranberry. Now, let me click on the basic one, which is the basic seed pack. Basically, you'll get this cranberry quite often. Now, raspberry is even more common, but you'll also get the cranberry quite quickly when you are doing this. So, this is actually the only way right now of doing it, of getting yourself some cranberries. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.